How can we see the face will not be jail? There's a 5 point. Welcome to my video again. This is a free face reading courses. Today's topic I want to talk how to see the person in their life got jail in prison or not jail in prison. Whether the person is a president or the higher ranks officer or the very famous businessman also cannot escape. If they have a feature, they will go to jail. So this is important. I hope everybody will see the video until the end. Thank you for your support. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my video again. How to see the face reading to identify that the person will not go to jail or will go to jail. Where can we identify from their face? This is an important skill. When the person will be jailed in their life, which is destined. It is not accidental. Many people face a very dangerous lawsuit. The back evidence against him and the incident occurred. Obviously, it is already no way to escape from the risk of jailing. But finally, there is a way to avoid being sentenced to jail. It's just like a Chinese saying say, when you in the mountain, obviously there is no way to go out the mountain or the river. You lost a way. But there is another spring between the willow tree and the flower. You can find a land, small land, and escape from the land. So this is a very surprising one. However, most of the criminal has not have such a lucky in their physiognomy or destiny. Most of them are not so lucky. The person got or didn't got jailing in their life is a result of what they have done by themselves and also their family's karma or DNA. All this will be appear on their face. All this will be appear on their face. Or it can be identified by a skill of physiognomy. If the person who predicate has a very excellent skill and physiognomy knowledge, how can we see the face will not be jailed? There's a 5 point. The first point is the shape of the ear are very good, and the ear rump is a round and big, large, and the rear rope are actually facing forward. And the ear rope is very important in the face reading. This represents the people's luck, blessing, accumulate virtue, and inheritance DNA of the person. You can see this lady, the eardrum, so good, so round, so beautiful, facing the forehead and the chin portion. Or the portion behind the eyebrow, these three areas are well shaded and bright and clear in color. This type of people, even they have a great crisis, they will still have a lot of noble person to help them, and they can safely go through the disaster. So they will not fall inside the disaster. You can see this actress. He actually got the lawsuit in China. Normally, the lawsuit of the tax is going to jail one, but she finally escaped, no jail. So this is a portion from on her face. You can see there's a good pattern at the side, at the area. So number 3, if the protrusion or the law pattern lines and the mouth, these 3 portions are in the good shape and good color, it means there will be a noble to save the person. Why an unforeseen disaster is occurring in their life. When he was young, he almost fell because of the property business cases in the court case. He almost will be jailed. But finally, some noble person, his wife, helping him escape. His wife and father-in-law. So number 4, the clear eyebrow, moderate shade, and the end of the eyebrow is tightened and dropped, and the distance between the eyebrow and the eyes is widened. Especially those with the uprights of eyes. It means the person has a good temper and are not impulsive or aggressive, so they will not be jailed in their life. He have actually involved in the video cases, the sex video case in Hong Kong, but finally he escaped the jail. No, never go to jail in his life. So you can see this is his eyebrow. It's a law pattern line, and the portion behind the eye is all very good, and the ear also. Oh. So if there is in pattern lines, that means you have to do a lot of charity, these lines will come out. It's at around the eyebrow, at the end of the eyebrow or the beginning of the eyebrow. A lot of noble person to save the person during disaster in their life. So this person can avoid the risk of being jailed, in prison or any disaster. Then you can say Bill Gates under the iPad, a lot of small pattern line. Especially this picture, you can see at the end, a lot of pattern line come down. This means you have to do a lot of charity, do a lot of good thing for the poor people, for the whole world. So this will recover back the lucky or a lot of luck. Anyone who had 3 or more of the above kinds of good appearance feature in their face is definitely a blessed person and will not be imprisoned in their life. This type of person can be a very important person in the country, or the company director, or the high-ranking officer, or the famous businessman. Or please subscribe my YouTube channel by pressing the subscription and ringing bell together, and write your valuable comment. Thank you for your support and watching this video to the end. We have learned the type of feature of the face of the chairman of Samsung Group, Mr. Lee, who have been jailed in the previous video. Now I repeated again. I just want to add in more skill to teach you how to see the person. If they have this 5 points, they would definitely go to jail. Or if the end of the eyes, which called diamond in Chinese word diamond, showing the blue, black color, or black spot, scar, mole, and all this. And also between the end of the eyebrow and the end of the eye, that portion also showing dark and black color. That means totally showing dark. That means these people will be in jail in their life. This is a Taiwan president. The portion between the eyes, end of the eyebrow and the eyes is dark color. It's dark color. And the chairman of Samsung Group. You can see, same. So, number 2, the eyebrow have a lot of inverse hair. That means the hair is that thin, right and left, they're crossing each other. Look messy, loosen and spread at the end of the eyebrows. Spread. The distance between the eyes and the eyebrow is very narrow. Between the eyebrow have a lot of messy hair suddenly grow out. No, or the color is darker or black color. This type of portion, the person has a high chances of going to jail in their life, especially in the court case period. When the court case period, all these features come out, that means it's no hope already. No, it's very, very unlucky already. So you can see this type of people. This is a person. Under the portion between the end part of the 2 eyebrow, and the bridge of the nose, or the bridge of the nose has a black spot, scar, mole, black color, this part and this part. That this type of people have a chances of going to jail in their life. Even they are the president, they will still go to jail. So this is important. Number 4, in other such a person, the corner of the mouth, they have a 2 degree line. Is that means we call it law pattern lines also. Or blue color, black color, or dark, or any deep color. That means their chin together, their chin is very slim and dark in color. It means that there will be a chances to go to jail. You can see this area, this area. So the eyes showing fierce vision, and the eyeball are protruding, or the eyes have 3 directions or 4 directions around the eyebrow are covered by the white portion. So the eye bag under the eyes are sunken and black and have a many horizontal strip. Horizontal, no, many vertical slip. Oh, not horizontal. This typing wrong. This means that the person have done a lot of wicked bad thing. So you can see a lot of lines under the eyes. It's not good. This one sharp go down. Anyone who have processes these 3 of the above mentioned symbols or features would definitely be in jail in their life. Even they are the president, high ranks officer or noble, they will be in prison during their life. I have seen the fate and the face of 10,000s of people in my life. When I have always emphasized is the essence of the hygiene book, is that the family doing a lot of charity, they would have a lot of good celebration in their house. I hope everyone should remember, do more charity as you can. This is the most important method that can change the person's destiny. Please subscribe my YouTube channel by pressing the subscription and ringing bell together and write your valuable comment. Thank you for your support and watching this video to the end. If you got any doubt or question or face reading, you can contact me through YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or other next. I will give you the answer as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So thank you everybody to see the video until the end. So it is very important. I have personally actually involved inside. When I have a big lawsuit, I actually lost already. I almost lost. All the evidence, everything is not good for me. But finally, I escaped. And then I win the lawsuit in my life. So this is an important experience for me. Then you can see in my picture on my face, I am not the person who will go into jail one. So this is my personal experience. So I want to teach everybody how to identify. And in my intermediate courses, I will teach you how to change it. We identify, we even predict only the result, you can see. But how to change it is more important, is a key point. So we have to understand how to change it. Please subscribe my intermediate courses. Then you can learn a lot of changing method, how to change it. Thank you. Thank you.